I'm Naya, and I'm a portrait photographer based in Kansas City, Missouri, and I specialize in colorful portraits. So today I want to go over the gear that I use for shooting outdoors. I have my Alpha 7 IV and my battery grip paired with my favorite, the 50mm 1.2 G Master and the 35 G Master 1.4 and the new, just released G Master 85 1.4 version 2. It's gonna be my new baby. What I love about the 35, it's a really wide focal length. I'm able to really capture a lot more of my environment. So for my full body shots or something like whenever I'm shooting outside and the location is really cool, I'm gonna pick up my 35 because I wanna show where I'm at. I can't use something like an 85 or else it's gonna be something like a headshot or it's gonna be just super, super tight. I love my battery grip just because I do primarily shoot portraits. Just having my hand here, I'm able to really interact and talk with my clients more than having to hide my face. So that's why I love my battery grip. So here I have my favorite lens, the 50mm 1.2. It's like the 35 and the 85 kind of had a baby. 35 is kind of that wide and kind of get the environment. The 85 is, ooh, and getting close up, I have that nice creamy bokeh, beautiful, beautiful headshots, but you know, you gotta really step back if you want a full body. 50, I can be somewhat close, but still have that low aperture, that lower number, that 1.2, and still have that nice creamy blurred background. And I'm not losing sharpness at 1.2, which is amazing, amazing. Paired with my Sony Alpha 7 IV, the focus, how it just tracks and locks on that eyes. I've never had a lens as sharp as this until I've met my 85. And this is the new Sony 85 G Master Mark II. It is sharp from edge to edge, and I'm really excited for you guys all to get this in your hands. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed what you saw here today. Maybe go pick up the 85 or the 50 or the 35, but get outside and feel free to see how I use these lenses on my Instagram at Naya Rose Photo.